We make the complex simple. Our product is not an easy product to work with. Designers and buyers have a difficult time understanding it, and we take a lot of pride in helping them accomplish their goals.
Most of the time we're working with fabrics we've never used before that the customer provides. So we're custom creating products. We have a very talented and experienced project management team, and our team find joy in those challenges and working on new projects and new solutions and new products for our customers. Our willingness to change and evolve, I think, is what sets us apart.
Whether it's with the technology or with service, we listen and we are willing to adapt to their needs.
This equipment provides increased efficiency to give a quality product with a punch-free installation.
We're not just unique because we can make product at a competitive price. The way that we handle our customers, take care of situations, and show up